Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you a very powerful spiritual direction that is going to help you to attract customers to your business, to your shop, or wherever you get your money from. So if you are such that you have a shop and then whenever you go there, people do not buy from you, but they buy from other people, or your business is such that it is very slow, kindly ensure that you get the items that I'll mention in this video, and then you also use it the way I will tell you in this video, and then you bring your testimony. So if you are such that your business is not going well, all that you are supposed to do is that you get the Momodica Charanthia leaves. That is what you see on the screen. In Ghana, it is called the Nyanya. When you go to Nigeria, the Yoruba people call it the Ejinrin, whilst the Igbo people call it the Akmana Udule. The Hausa people call it the Gara Huni. So it's a very common herb. That is the herb that during festivals, chiefs put it around their neck so that no evil attack or no satanic attack will come to them. So this is a very powerful herb. If you have children and then they are always sick, you should be bathing them this particular herb. If your children are hot, kindly ensure that you bath them this particular herb. You just have to squeeze it into water and then use it to bath them. Don't use towel. And then that evil spirit or that sickness will leave them. So this is a very powerful herb. It has so many other uses. But in this video, we are going to talk about how you can use it with the Miss Paris oil to attract customers to your business. So you are just supposed to get enough of the herb. So this herb, you can get it from the market. So if you cannot even remember the name, just show the picture you see on the screen to those people on the market. They can easily give you this particular herb. You can also get it by yourself from the bush. So all the time, I tell you, my followers, that it is very, very preferable that you get spiritual herbs by yourself. When you go there, just say your intentions and then fetch the herb, and then it is going to work for you. But if you cannot get it yourself, you can also decide to buy it from the market. So when you buy it from the market, just come home and then you pray over it and say your intentions and then you start using it. So for this particular herb, as I said, you can get it from the market or you can get it by yourself. But please, if you are going to the bush to get it yourself, kindly ensure that you wear something like a long Wellington boot or some long boots so that no snake can bite you, because this particular herb is such that it is the fruit on it, snakes like it a lot, so they are always attracted to it. So kindly ensure that when you go near this particular herb, you wear something to protect your feet, especially before going there. So just get some, and then you are also going to get the Miss Paris oil. So the Miss Paris oil is also very common. When you go to the market, those people who sell spiritual items like Florida water, 6-flower oil, and those stuff, they can easily give you this particular oil. So on the channel, I've already talked about how to use the Miss Paris oil for other things. I've also talked about how you can use the 6-flower oil for other things and so forth. So please, if you have not watched those videos, you can scroll through the videos or you can click on the link that I've provided in the description to watch the uses of the 6-flower oil to do things like how to use it to make your partner love you alone and so many other things. So please kindly ensure that you watch all the other videos too to benefit from this particular powerful channel that I've made to benefit my followers. So please kindly ensure that you also subscribe to the channel for more videos. So if you are having problem with your business, like your business is not moving well, all that you are supposed to do is that you get the items that I've mentioned, only these two items, the Miss Paris oil, then the Momodica Charanthia leaves. You are going to get a bucket of water, then you are going to squeeze the leaves into the water. As you squeeze it, you'll be saying that may God use it to open doors for your business to grow. So you squeeze all the herbs into the water, and now you are going to open the bottle of the Miss Paris oil and then you pour it inside. So after pouring, you squeeze it again for it to mix very well. Now you are just going to cover it and then you are going to keep it inside your shop. So all that you are going to do is that you'll be sprinkling some of the water into your shop daily after sweeping the shop, and then you are going to do it from time to time too. So if you do it for some time, you stop, and then the next time too, you start again. Please, because this is a herb, when you keep it for too long, it will start smelling. So please kindly ensure that when you do it in smaller quantities so that you can be using it from time to time, and then you prepare a new one again. So that is how you are going to use it, and then you are going to bring big testimony. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel, and then also you press the notification bell, and then you follow us on Facebook with the same the remedies name, and then all the social media platforms. Kindly ensure that you also share the videos to benefit other people too. Thank you very much for watching this video. In our next video, we shall talk about a lot of things. So please kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel. And then also, if you cannot get the Miss Paris oil, you can click on the link that I've provided in the description to buy it from Amazon. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.